Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, the place where we make fun of the idiots and the morons we see out here on the road. And there's none more moronic than an idiot that ain't looking where they're going. Dear oh dear, look at this, look at the face, look, says it all, doesn't it? Yeah, the eyes are open, the mouth moves, but not much else happens. Yeah, that's about the limit of their cognitive abilities. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Paul. And this road here is actually the perimeter road that runs around the outside of Heathrow, yeah? So anyway, Paul's approaching this junction. You'll see in a minute. His traffic light is green. But that coach driver's traffic light is definitely red. But he suffers from colour dyslexia, so you can't blame him. And as we can see on the side of the coach, it says Guildford and Heathrow. We're driving like that. I don't know about Guildford and Heathrow. What it should say is no good and death row. Because if you drive near this driver, it's like a death sentence. He's going to get you sooner or later. There he goes, on his way, looking for his next collision. Okay, so you've got this clip here from John H, and he's going up Hollis Street, just off of Oxford Street. Got John Lewis on the left there. Lights are turning red, everyone's stopping at the red light. Everyone apart from the moron in the big red bus. The bus is driving perfectly in gear, but the driver's brain is obviously back in the depot, in park, with the handbrake on. Got this clip here from James M, and there's another moron that doesn't know what a red traffic light means. That driver's got a slot machine brain like you find in an amusement arcade. Only problem is he's run out of change today. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Big John. And you're about to see a classic motorway moron here. Here, I'll keep your eye to the right. There he goes there. Idiot with the intelligence of a ballpoint pen. 3 lanes all in one there, nearly causing a big accident. Definitely a few miles short of a marathon, that moron. Got this clip here from Lely M. Now keep your eye on this red car at the pedestrian crossing there, yeah? Because he's got confused. He thinks it's a zebra crossing. Once the pedestrian's crossed, you can go. No, you got to wait for the green light. He definitely ain't got all his cornflakes in one box, that idiot. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Musa. He's just waiting for these traffic lights to turn green. That's it, they're green so he can go. Just going through this road junction now, around this little left-hand bend. And from the right comes the moron what don't understand what a red traffic light means. Now, cars today are packed full of artificial intelligence. Well, this driver's just packed full of artificial stupidity. And speaking of stupidity, there comes a moron up the inside on the left-hand bend. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Raymond L. He's pulling up here just by this school, just to let these parents cross with these children, yeah? Your car on the other side's doing the same, but not the moron in the little white Seat. The idiot with the intelligence of a shoelace who's paralysed from the neck up, he's not stopping. But you'll be glad to know that that idiot in that white Seat was reported and he was charged and prosecuted for that. Okay, so here I am on London Street. It's a little one-way street just round the back of Paddington. There you go. Everybody is going in the right direction. Everybody apart from the moron in the Kia Niro, whose driver's got the IQ of 0. And they've also got the green roundel of dumbness there to prove that they're fully licensed and authorised by Transport for London to go and wreak havoc on the streets of London. Intelligence of a hairball you pull out your cat's throat. Got this clip here from Badco, and he's in his car today. Normally he's on his bike. Anyway, he stopped at the red traffic light along with this van, just waiting for the pedestrian to go across the pedestrian crossing. But mate, he in the flatbed tow truck ain't. Didn't even see the red light. He's got the observational ability of an ostrich with his head stuck in the sand. Got this clip here from Andreas. Now watch this Audi. This one is definitely another utter donut inside, and that's why just slammed his car into that post for no apparent reason. What a plank. Okay, so here I'm going up this road, and who's coming towards me on the wrong side of the road? The Transport for London licensed retard, that's who, with the green roundel of dumbness in the windscreen. Standard equipment for them morons. This idiot is definitely body by Fisher, brains by Mattel. Okay, so you've got this clip here from iCash A. Now, the first thing we notice about this Darwin Award nominee is where they've parked. Not next to the petrol pump where they need to be. Oh no, they've parked bang in the middle of the petrol station forecourt. And now, not Lucid Lucy is getting confused. It doesn't take a lot, does it? And, hang on a minute, now she's directing traffic. She couldn't even direct herself to the correct petrol pump when she pulled into the petrol station. And now she's confused. But hang on a minute, she's had a light bulb moment. For the first time in her life, her cognitive abilities have kicked into overdrive. And she's going to rectify the problem. And that's a quite easy rectification she needs to do. Pull forwards to the left and then reverse straight back onto the petrol pump. Very easy indeed. But no, she's gone into reverse. Why is she going into reverse? We can see that her brain works in reverse only, but that's a different story for the car. Now, I know one thing. She might be filling up with petrol, but see, she certainly ain't firing on all 4 cylinders. It's like her brain's got a permanent misfire. Okay, so you got this clip here from Mo. Keep your eye on that white box van, yeah, with the green arrows pointing to it. Approaching that red light, straight through that red light. That driver is the human equivalent of a cheese sandwich without cheese. Okay, so what we're looking at here is this yellow 8-wheel tipper truck. Now, he's tipped his load, but he's forgot to drop the body down. But that overhead gantry is soon going to remind him that he's still got the body. I know for a fact there's a certain person who's going to be watching this, laughing now. Anyway, yeah, bit to unpack. Yeah, not every day you see an armchair and a sheep tied to a trailer going up the English motorway. Guys, if you like what you've seen so far and I put a smile on your face, can you do me a favour? Just put a smile on my face. Just hit that little like and subscribe button down below if you ain't done it already. It really does help. Thanks a lot, guys. Let's have a look at some bikes. Okay, so here I am going down Streatham High Road. Just approaching these traffic lights at the junction of Streatham Common there, yeah? Turn red. Everyone stopping. Everyone apart from the 2-wheel, 2-brain cell Dumbaroo rider. He's definitely missing a few toppings off of his pizza. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Mickey M, just waiting to go through the green light. But he can't go through the green light because there's a smooth brain, low IQ retard coming through his red light, bang in front of him. That moron definitely don't keep all his pencils in one case, does he? Okay, so you've got this next clip here from @MichaelBlackCab, and you'll find him on X. And you can see Michael's approaching this busy junction, cars all over the place. But that means nothing to this idiot. This idiot with a brain that functions as well as a one-legged centipede. Okay, so you've got this clip here from @Edis1975, and you'll find him on X. Now watch this arrogant, entitled cyclist. Look, pedestrians going across the zebra, but he doesn't stop. Just goes round them. You see this all day, every day in London. Okay, so you've got this next clip here from @HappinessDays, and you'll find him on X, and we're looking at this moron here just ploughing through the people as they go across the zebra crossing on his phone to Siri, saying, Siri, why do I act like a retarded housefly all the time? Okay, so here I am just round by Hanover Square, just stopping at this zebra crossing to let the pedestrians cross, because that's what we do. Well, you do unless you're an absolutely brainless Just Eat rider. Just Eat rider that's got the intelligence of the contents of a septic tank. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Supreme High Champion of the Darwin Awards. Behold his behaviour. Level crossing barriers are down, flashing lights, ringing bells. But that doesn't stop him. He's not worried about 250 tonnes of steel moving at 40 miles an hour. Grandma Josephine's Zimmer frame has got more intelligence in just the plastic handles than what he's got in all of his skull area combined. What an absolute plank. Got this next clip from @Andrew Fruity, and you'll find him on X. And the line bike rider just squeezed through a space that wasn't there. Unlike the space between this line bike rider's ears, where there's plenty of space, nothing going on in there. There was no space, but he managed to squeeze through. Lime, Lime, limited intelligence, missed education. What a fine example in this case. Okay, now we got this video from Hugo Splat. Now look at this guy. He's riding along on his e-scooter. Carry a bag on one handle, bent over looking at his phone. I think it's fair to say that his skylight leaks a little bit, doesn't it? Oh no. Well, that's it for this one, everybody. Thank you so much for watching till the very end if you did. Thanks to everyone that sent in video clips. Really appreciate you guys. Couldn't do it without you. What we're looking at here is a lovely old classic Jaguar Mark II. Who don't like them? I'm on X now. I normally post a couple of clips on there, normally every day. Find me over there. You can just search Road Morons, same as this channel. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching again. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Really does help. Have a good weekend and see you in the next one. Bye.